Hello everyone, have you ever heard of the Chelsea chop? If not and you want to know more, stick around here with me today and I am going to tell you what it is and how it applies to gardening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, 90% Native. My name is Michelle and I grow native plants and I garden for the wildlife. Today, I am going to do something called the Chelsea chop on my aromatic asters right here behind me. The Chelsea chop is something that has been done for many years in the UK, and if I'm not mistaken, the origin of it is the Chelsea Flower Show. All the nurserymen would bring their plants to the Chelsea Flower Show, but then when they brought them back, they were done flowering and they had been forced to flower early, so they cut them back so that they could then go ahead and sell them at their nurseries. And so that is what's called the Chelsea chop, because when you do that, actually you get the plant to branch, they become a little sturdier, they grow a little shorter, they might bloom more, they might be more floriferous, but the blooms will be a little bit smaller. So I'm doing aromatic asters today, and I am going to cut them back by 2/3 this year. This is going to be an experiment with the aromatic aster this year. I believe almost everything in this bed is the October Skies variety of aromatic aster, but I have grown some from I have grown some from straight species seed, so there could be some of that in there. So yeah, this is what I do with a lot of my native herbaceous perennials. I experiment with the Chelsea chop to find what's going to work best so I can get the right height, get the least amount of flopping, and just have them looking their best in the particular situation that I have them in. Okay guys, here is my patch of aromatic aster. I'm cutting it back by 2/3 and it's going to be super simple. I'm going to take this and cut it back to there and just use that as a guide for the rest of the cuttings. I'm going to save these and put them into my green bin, and then I'm going to take that down to the compost pile when I am done. Okay, so let's take a quick look at how it looks. So here you go, much tidier now. Not that I really cared, I thought that the bushiness looked really nice. But these are cut back to 2/3, cut back by 2/3. Now something I am going to test out with the aromatic aster specifically is that I am going to Chelsea chop some of them again in maybe the very beginning to latest mid-July and see how those do. I've seen somebody on Facebook who did the May and July Chelsea chop, which you can do on asters, but I just want to make sure that I get some blooms this year, so my experiment's only going to include like maybe some of the tallest asters for the second round of Chelsea chopping. So I will keep you updated on how that goes. And yeah, that's all for today. A quick little video about the Chelsea chop, how you can use it to make your plants a little sturdier and less apt to fall. Then you'll get some more blooms, maybe a little smaller, but that's why you would do the Chelsea chop. So anyway, thank you guys for taking your time and spending it with me today. Happy gardening, and I will catch you again next time.